So additive manufacturing obviously has always started with CAD designs and models, but today's digital engineering tools go far beyond product creation. So with us we have Jose Coronado from PTC, our host. He's going to tell us how the next generation of engineering software will use IoT sensors and cloud computing to change how manufacturers unlock additive manufacturing's power to reinvent production and business processes. So please help me welcome Jose Coronado.
I have a few ideas to share today regarding software. So initially, we're going to start with a question, okay, how can software accelerate the adoption of additive manufacturing? Because this is, I think, the underlying question for us, how to help our customers. So the first idea that I would like to share with you today on this topic of software, how the software can enable. The first thing is, why don't we put all this functionality inside the design tool? The CAD system should have the way to do the infills, to optimize, to validate, to 3D print check, to simulate the melting pool, etc. Everything in the CAD system. Second idea is, okay, we need to enable the users to design whichever geometry they need to reduce weight, for instance, or to fulfill any structural or thermal requirement. Okay, the examples of what we're doing in this regard is to create new geometric features. We call these geometric features, new geometry. But not only that, we needed to create the geometry, but also do simulation and optimization in order that the optimization can drive the geometry. Some use case, very simple use case, very powerful. Our customer Richemont. They are using our lattices for 3D printing tools and fixtures, very fast, reducing between 50 and 70% of the weight of the part. Next idea on the geometric features, topology optimization. Topology optimization has been around for many years, but now with convergence of additive is creating a new set of opportunities for improving the processes and for us in the software business as well, to enable our users. The basic concept on topology is that the user is giving the system some constraints, and the topology optimizer will create this kind of geometry. Chunky, triangulated, tessellated, some kind of geometry that is very nice as an idea, but it's very difficult to get it back into the CAD system. The next idea is to have all our lattices and all this geometry that we're doing for topology optimization will benefit with the notion of having the design and the simulation combined. Can really software be disruptive in this case? What about if we made obsolete this technique of reconstruct triangulated geometry? I think we are doing that. So then, for sure, we are disruptive in this area. What about if we made obsolete the STL format? I think checkbox. I think, yes, we are disrupting this process. What about if we made obsolete those assumptions and the guesswork, and we get real data coming from sensors? Then yes, we are disruptive.